So many people wish to transform their lives. They aspire to greater peace, stability, success, and well-being. Yet, all too often, we try to change what is happening around us without changing what is happening within us. We want a different life, yet we continue to think in the same way, react in the same manner, make the same decisions, and repeat the same habits. This is why so many attempts at change ultimately bring us back to the very place we started. We have seen how the energy of our family, our education, our habits, and the many influences that have shaped us over time can keep us trapped in the same patterns of thought and behavior for years. Often, these forces operate within us without our awareness. In the spirit of reprioritizing our humanity, lasting change must begin within. What we build on the outside is often a reflection of what is taking place on the inside. This is where the first pillar finds its full meaning. Watch/observe. When we take the time to observe ourselves, our family, our environment, what we consume, and what we transmit, we begin to see more clearly what is influencing our lives. This practice brings greater clarity, presence, and awareness. It helps us step out of autopilot and gradually reclaim the power of our choices. It allows us to better understand where we are, the direction we are heading, and what needs to change. As our awareness grows, we begin to see our lives with greater clarity. We cannot change what we do not see. Yet seeing is not enough. Once we recognize what needs to change, we must take a stand in relation to what we have discovered. This is where we move into the second pillar, decide. To decide is to choose the place we wish to occupy in our own lives rather than allowing fear, habits, or the influence of others to govern us. This pillar develops courage, responsibility, commitment, dignity, and determination. It helps us reclaim our sovereignty. We stop merely enduring life and begin participating in it with greater awareness and intention. But a decision is not always easy to maintain. After observing and taking a stand, it becomes essential to develop the ability to remain grounded on our path. This is where the third pillar comes into play, breathe. Conscious breathing helps us slow down, calm the mind, and manage our emotions more effectively. It allows us to remain present, move through doubt, fear, and tension with greater ease, and reduces the risk of falling back into old habits. It fosters greater mental clarity, emotional mastery, and a healthier inner balance. It helps us remain faithful to our choices and reconnect with our essence. In the spirit of reprioritizing our humanity, these are not simple exercises performed once and forgotten. They represent a new way of living that is integrated day after day. It is a path that allows us to discover more of who we are, develop our potential, and grow as we move forward on the journey of transformation. Thus, these first three pillars work together. Observe gives us clarity. Decide gives us courage. Breathe gives us balance. We cannot build a new life with the same level of consciousness that shaped the old one. That is why true change begins with inner work. And it is upon these foundations that we prepare ourselves for the next step. Act.